Away from happenings at Men's Gold, Amnesty International is calling for the death penalty to be expunged from the country's statute books. Well, there's been no execution since 1993, yet convicts are still on the death row.
Crimes which attract the death penalty include murder and treason, and the punishment is either by firing squad or hanging. Although Ghana has not carried out a sentence of execution since 1993, the law allowing it is still preserved in the statute books. Civil society groups, including Amnesty International, have been advocating for the abolition of the practice, which they say is a violation of the sanctity of human life. Its director, Robert Akoto-Amoafo, said a visit to the Nsawam prison showed a terrific situation of people on death row.
We have like 157 people in a space that was made for only 38 people. We have also an instance where we have the male people who do not move out of their cells. They are in a confined area, they don't come out to have recreation or anything, and they are always in that space. Those are things that we don't think are humane. They don't meet international standards.
The International Human Rights Organization called for expunging the death penalty from the country's statute books. For the law to be abolished, it would need the president to sign, pass through parliament for a referendum to be conducted. Director of Amnesty International, Robert Akoto-Amoafo, is of the view the process can start now.
A process was started, which was a constitutional review process, but it has been stopped. So which means that the opportunity to take it out of the law books has not been opened for us to do that. Notwithstanding, there are other ways we can take the law, we can start practicing the abolition. We have the Criminal Offences Act, which prescribes what punishment should be given to who by what they have done. If we start amending that law, which is possible, we can amend that law, which will prevent judges from handing down such thing to them.
Senior lecturer at the University of Ghana Political Science Department, Dr. Ansankwe, is worried Ghanaians still take killing too lightly.
A human being saying that somebody's life must be taken away is wrong. We seem to think that for certain offences there must be death. That is wrong. It is a violation of the fundamental human rights, because it doesn't serve any of the purposes it's supposed to serve. It does not deter criminals from crime. It does not really, it deprives the person of chance to reform.
To mark the day for the abolition of death penalty, students from 4 universities deliberated on the need to abolish the practice to ensure human rights are protected.